Japan is at number 1 place with 6 golds and 12 medals. France is at number 2nd place with 5 golds and 16 medals. China is at number 3rd place with 12 medals. Australia 4th place. Republic of Korea is at 5th place. USA is at 6th place with 20 medals. Great Britain is at 7th place with 10 medals. Italy at 8th place with 8 medals. Canada placed at 9th place with 5 medals, and Hong Kong is at 10th place with 3 medals. Germany is at 11th place with 2 medals, 2 gold. Kazakhstan 12th place, 3 medals, 1 gold. South Africa 1 gold and 2 bronze, 3 medals. Belgium 1 gold, 1 bronze, 2 medals and 14th place. Azerbaijan at 15th place with 1 gold medal. Romania 1 gold medal. Uzbekistan 1 gold medal, 15th place. Brazil 1 gold and 2 bronze, 1 silver and 2 bronze. Sweden 1 silver and 2 bronze, and Fiji 1 silver at 20th place. Kosovo 1 silver, total 1 medal. Mongolia 1 silver medal. Poland 1 silver medal. Tunisia 1 silver medal. All these teams are placed at number 20th place, and at 25 Republic of Moldova 2 bronze medals. 26th Croatia 1 bronze medal. Egypt 1 bronze medal. Spain 1 bronze medal. Hungary 1 bronze medal. India 1 bronze medal at 26th place, followed by Ireland 1 bronze medal, Mexico 1 bronze medal, Switzerland 1 bronze medal, Slovakia 1 bronze medal, Turkey 1 bronze medal,